Welcome to Koko's Forest Adventure. Tonight's story, Boingy's Broken Branch.
欢迎来到 Koko 的森林冒险。今晚的故事叫做 Koko 打破的树枝。
Are you ready? Let's begin. The forest is quiet and cold today.
Koko and Boingy hop through snow together.
They see beautiful icicles hanging everywhere.
Look, Koko. These icicles are so pretty. I want to touch one, Koko.
Boingy jumps up very high.
Wait, Boingy. Be careful up there.
Boingy bounces on an icy branch.
Crack. The branch breaks suddenly.
The beautiful branch falls to ground.
Oh no. What did I do? Koko, I broke this branch.
Koko looks at the broken branch sadly.
Boingy, that was the old tree's home. The birds sleep there every night.
Boingy's ears drop down very low.
I am so sorry, Koko. I did not mean to break it.
Koko thinks about this problem.
Boingy, you can fix this today. You should tell the tree sorry.
Boingy walks to the old tree slowly.
Old tree, I am very sorry. I broke your branch by accident. I will help you grow again.
The old tree seems to understand.
How can we fix this, Koko?
Koko smiles at Boingy warmly.
We can tie the branch back. We can use this soft vine.
Together they work very hard.
Boingy ties the vine carefully. Is this good, Koko? Does this help the tree?
The branch stays on the tree now.
Good job, Boingy. You helped. The tree forgives you now.
Boingy feels happy and lighter.
I learned something very important. I should say sorry when I hurt things.
They sit under the tree together.
Koko, do you remember the recipe? The recipe for pine cone soup. Let's make warm food for tree.
Koko nods at this kind idea.
Yes. That is very thoughtful. The tree will feel much better.
They gather pine cones and snow.
Boingy finds big, brown ones. These are perfect for the recipe.
They make soup by the tree.
Here, tree. This is for you. I am truly sorry about branch.
The forest feels warm and peaceful now.
Boingy, you did the right thing. Sorry is the first step always.
They rest near the old tree.
Thank you for helping me, Koko. I will be more careful tomorrow.
The stars come out above them.
Good night, Koko. Good night, tree. I will protect you always now.
Let's learn our 3 words from today.
Word 1, icicle.
Look, Boingy. These icicles are so pretty.
Word 2, recipe.
Koko, do you remember the recipe for pine cone soup?
Word 3, branch.
Boingy bounces on an icy branch. Great job, little friends.
You learned 3 new words today.
When you break something, say sorry first.
Then try to help fix it.
Being sorry shows your loving heart.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little friends. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.
晚安，小朋友。喜欢今天的故事吗？请按赞订阅我们的频道。
New stories every week. See you next time.